Tantalum Rod is the most commonly used tantalum product besides tantalum tubes and tantalum wires. It has a series of excellent properties of tantalum, such as good ductility, high strength, good conductivity, wear resistance, low elastic modulus, high affinity with the human body, and long service life. Tantalum bar is mainly used as an anode conductor in capacitors, which helps to increase the capacitance of capacitors. Its surface is oxidized to form a thin layer of tantalum oxide Ta2O5, which constitutes the dielectric of the capacitor. In the medical field, tantalum bar stock is mainly used for implants and orthopedic surgery or artificial joint replacement surgery, which helps the recovery of the patient's body tissues. If you have any questions about this product's details or delivery time, don't hesitate to get in touch with us at admin@fanmetalloy.com. We look forward to your message.